Barack Obama, 44th President of the United States, stands as an embodiment of determination and perseverance. His life journey teaches us that being born into modest means is no deterrent to achieving great heights. One of his prominent success secrets is his dedication to education. Obama realized early on that knowledge is the key to overcoming any obstacles. He pursued his studies with fervor, leading him to Harvard Law School and later teaching constitutional law at the University of Chicago. His commitment to learning demonstrates that investing time in personal development and skill acquisition can pave the way for spectacular achievements. Another major factor fueling Obama's success is his exceptional oratory skills. Charismatic and articulate, he possesses the ability to inspire people with his words, a testament to his belief in the power of communication. Obama's speeches often evoke strong emotions, leading to the creation of powerful bonds with his audience. His ability to connect with people from all walks of life indicates the value of empathy and understanding in leadership roles. Obama's journey also reveals his resilience in the face of adversity. His road to the presidency was riddled with challenges, but he remained undaunted, demonstrating a positive outlook and inner strength. The ability to maintain composure and focus in tough times is a lesson that everyone can learn from Obama. Finally, Obama's sense of service and dedication is commendable. He entered public service with the aim of making a difference in people's lives, reflecting his deep-rooted belief in societal change. His community organizing efforts in the South Side of Chicago highlight the importance of grassroots activism in bringing about positive change. In conclusion, success is a confluence of hard work, persistence, and a strong desire to make a positive contribution to society. As seen in Barack Obama's life, these success secrets can guide us all in our individual journeys. Through dedication, effective communication, resilience, and a spirit of service, one can overcome any challenges in their path and leave an indelible mark on the world.